Hello and welcome to the introduction video for the My Monthly Hero Kit for May 2022. The kit this month is made for sharing birthday greetings, friendship, or decorating your baked goodies. It includes a 4x6 clear stamp set, cover plate fancy die, 6 additional fancy dies, a cling background, 12 sheets of cardstock, 4 in each of the colors of pink, mint, and white in 4 1/4 by 8 1/2 size. There is also 10 yards of blue baker's twine, a watermark and embossing ink cube, and cast iron embossing powder. The background stamp, as shown here, is great for adding a backsplash to your scene or as a background on any card project. The clear stamp set included in the kit includes sentiments like "My favorite chef," "Just something I whipped up," "Have a delicious day," "Bake a wish," "Bun in the oven," or "Happy birthday." The fancy plate cover die is really great for creating a kitchen scene, and there are also the additional fancy dies that we have a pot, turkey, muffin, slice of bread, a kettle, and also pie. I'm going to die cut this out of white cardstock to show you what this looks like. Die cutting it out of white cardstock is really great because you can then color over those die cut images. Another fun feature is that on the stove there is an embossed line, so you could kind of crease that embossed line to have your stove pop open for a fun surprise in the oven or a message. Here's a look at a card that I created where I colored in all of those images that the cover plate die had die cut out. I colored around my stove to add a wood top counter, and then also used the background stamp and did emboss resist to create a brick background. Another look is by adding stencils. So this time I actually kind of customized my cover plate, trimmed out that top portion, added cupboards, and used a stencil as my background for my kitchen. Now here's a look at some inspiration from the creative team using the contents of the kit, where they have the cover plate die. They customized their kitchen with those additional dies from the kit, using the background stamp as a backsplash or as your background on a card project with any theme, turning that background stamp into a picnic blanket, and then also here are some ideas of just adding different backgrounds for a really fun retro look. Hero Arts is celebrating this release with a blog hop filled with inspiration from the creative team and special guests. You can find all of that inspiration and pick up your kit today over at heroarts.com.